Hi, it's ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com, doing a video recap of the S&P 500, the ticker SPY, the SPY, on election night, right? So I'm pretty sure everyone right now, if they haven't voted yet, they're actually on their way to vote, or they're coming back from voting, or they're tuned into whatever news outlet they prefer to sort of get those initial results. Myself included. So I've done several video recaps of the SPY dating back really since we had this initial break right here on above average volume, and take note how volume essentially has declined since this major sell-off or this correction back in mid-October. So you see here I have two price points, 280 and 260. If you've been watching my videos, you know what those represent in my mind. For me, 260 represents support. SPY has been trading within a channel, in my opinion, beginning of October of 2017 till present. So about a year. Lower end of that support channel is 260. We experienced that, or we hit that the earlier part of this year. And then we have 280, which is resistance. And for the most part, we've been hanging out outside of the last 2 or so weeks. We've been hanging out a little bit above resistance at 280 from mid to late, not late, but from mid, let's say from mid-October. Okay. So again, 280 resistance, 260 support. For the past few days, SPY has been trading within this tight box here. I think the range is something from 269 to 275. Now, I don't want to make necessarily any predictions. For example, like I indicated yesterday, I don't want to say, well, if the Republicans sort of like dominate, then the SPY is going to, or the markets is going to rally. And I don't want to make the assumption that if the Democrats win, then the markets are going to tank. I do not like to ascribe certain market events outside of something like catastrophic, like, God forbid, a world war. That's probably the only sort of event that I would subscribe to a particular market action. So I don't know how the markets is going to react based on what happens today. I'll say this. So let me do a bit of a full disclosure here. In my premium member community, in our longer term, mid to longer term portfolio, I've actually been encouraging folks to buy this market dip, right? I think eventually in the longer term, the market is going to resolve itself to the upside, and we're going to be seeing newer highs. In the shorter term, though, it's very hard to sort of like predict or pontificate what the market is going to do. And so as a hedge, we are short the market in the shorter term, again, to hedge against the long trades that we currently hold. So that's kind of how we're playing the market, outside of having outside of having whatever positions that we have right now. So again, I just kind of wanted you guys to be updated if you haven't been following me on my views of the SPY. Again, anything below 260, I am sustained move, not just like a dip and a pop. Any sustained move below 260, I'm bearish. Any sustained move above this 280 resistance level, I am bullish. Recap: I don't want to subscribe or ascribe a particular election event to how the markets is going to react, right? So again, I don't want to say Republican wins, the market is going to rally, Democrats win, markets is going to tank. I don't want to do that. Like, I think that's a very losing game. So what we have done, because I do believe in the strength of the overall market, we are, in my opinion, still in a longer term uptrend. I believe that, again, mid to longer term, markets will resolve itself to the upside. In the shorter term, that's kind of harder to gauge, but we are short the market to protect our long positions. So that's kind of it. I want to cap it there. I'm going to be paying attention to the elections. I'm pretty sure some folks will be paying attention to the futures. I'll look at it here and there. And in terms of recap of other trades, I've been pretty consistent with doing recaps on ticker GPS, on ticker AMD, and on ticker FEYE. If you're curious as to what my thoughts are on those particular trades or those particular stocks, definitely head on over to my YouTube page, ShortMeTina, or go to my website, ShortMeTina.com. And in the filter, you just put the ticker, and all the videos I've done thus far will come up. So let's cap it there. It's a little over 5 minutes now. So thank you. ShortMeTina, once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you liked any part of this video recap, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notification. I do videos every single day. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.